Hello, my name is NANDITHA and I am an electronics and communication engineer. I have got placed in Thomson Retriever. I do like to thank Qspiders for getting me placed in this company. In Qspider, I had a good experience with knowing the knowledge on. I am a testing batch, so it was a good experience based on how I got to know about manual testing and also automation testing, and I also have a good knowledge on Java thanks to Qspider. So overall it was a good experience. Also in coming to presentation, it was a good thing because it made me improve my communication language, and also I got a good idea on how to improve, how to get to know about my teammates and how to have a good communication with my teammates. So it was a good thing, and coming to MOOC, it was a good thing because we get to know how our the knowledge on that particular course helped us. So then grooming class helped us to know how the interviewer gonna ask the questions, or how the interview, how we need to face the interview. Overall, it was a good experience. Thank you for Qspider, and I have got placed in Thomson with a salary of 3 LPA.